Unhloso did not sleep home. He stayed Wadindle, comforting Dindle after everything that Ntutuko did to her. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Unhloso did not go home. Uhleli Wadindle. Dindle was explaining to her everything that Ntutuko did, humiliating her in front of Kanye and even spitting at her. Waqasuka Unhloso wathi nje, this boy has crossed the line. Ngengihamba, I won't leave you like this. Uyiwani. I'll spend the night here, I won't go home. Hey, ukhohliwe ukuthi unomndeni. And then uMadlomo is busy trying to make a phone call. At first I thought he's trying to call Nhloso, kanti uNtuthuko also didn't come home. Ethulele kamngani wakhe. Abuye Nhlusuko ekuseni athi nje, I'm just I wish ubaba vele wahlale in prison. Bese right kabi nje engekho. And then Nhloso goes to Madlomo. Guy is not even sorry for not sleeping at home. Says Madlomo ukuthi he didn't come home because didn't want to continue fighting with him. Athi Madlomo uNtuthuko did not even come home kenjalo, niyafana nje nonke anibuya ngendlini. Athi like mina nawe nje sasewumyeni nonkosikazi because manje you keeping secrets from me. Angitshelani ukuthi wedlekela umsebenzi. Tried to make excuses, but then nje uMadlomo uyabona ukuthi hayi cha kuphi. And then Umthunzi busy shem trying to get imali kaSemiday. After dragging Semiday, he transferred 20,000 to his account and then told Semiday ukuthi hawu ungisendele 20,000, what is it for? Semiday is shocked. Abe like hawu ungisendela kamkhombe notification. As you know what, let me return it. You know what, this thing is getting out of hand. What if you had sent that money to someone else? Let me manage your account. Now he's telling Semiday he must just get Semiday's app on his phone and then so he can manage the account. And also Semiday must call the bank and tell them he change his number so that everything giving umthunzi. Umthunzi means business, hey? Ngapha uMathubela is going all out with the kids. She has officially like taken over. She's doing a great job though. She continues to surprise her. But I think Tukolo is happy about everything that's happening and how Mathubela is taking care of the kids. I think Utlhoge is too, just that the push about her wanting Utlhoge to give the baby solid food is what is taking Utlhoge off the wrong way. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.